To apply for federal financial aid assistance, you first need to complete the free application for federal student aid, or the FAFSA. You can find the FAFSA application at www.fafsa.ed.gov. This is the only website you should visit to apply for federal aid. The FAFSA application must be completed every spring, is awarded based on academic year, not calendar year, and requires income information for you and your parents from the previous calendar year. Each academic year starts in the fall of one year and ends in the summer of the following year. So federal awards run from the fall of one year and end in the following summer. For example, suppose you plan to start college in the fall of 2016. You will need to complete the 2016-2017 FAFSA application. Any award you receive would run from the fall of 2016 through the summer of 2017. But what if you wanted to start school in the spring of 2017? You would complete the same FAFSA application running from 2016 to 2017. You would use the 2016 to 2017 application in order to request federal aid in the fall of 2016, spring of 2017, or summer of 2017. The FAFSA application requires income information from the previous calendar year and household and asset information for the current calendar year. If you are under 24, you are usually considered a dependent student, and both your income and your parents' income are required on the FAFSA. If you are over 24, you are considered an independent student, and only your income must be submitted. Some circumstances are special. For instance, you might be under 24, married and supporting your own children, or emancipated from your parents, and in those cases, you might also be considered an independent student. The Federal Student Aid website at studentaid.ed.gov and your financial aid office can help you confirm whether you are a dependent or independent student. Most students are considered dependent and will need to provide information from your previous year's W-2s if you worked, your parents' previous year's W-2s if they worked, your previous year's tax returns if you filed taxes, and your parents' previous year's tax returns if they filed taxes. The FAFSA application now has a new function allowing you to import tax information on file with the IRS directly into the FAFSA 3 weeks after it is received by the IRS. FAFSA also imports other data from your tax return, making it faster for you to finish applying for aid. If you import this tax data from the IRS, you may need to provide less documentation to the financial aid office too. Didn't file taxes the year before you plan to apply? Talk to your campus financial aid specialist or advisor if you worked during a given year but did not file taxes. To fill out the FAFSA, you will need to have your Social Security number, your state ID or driver's license, and your school code. The school code for San Jacinto College is 003609. Using this code tells the Department of Education to send a copy of the application to San Jac. Your FAFSA information is generally received 2 weeks after submission. You should monitor your SOS account or follow up with your campus financial aid office to confirm that your application was received successfully.